What's going on, folks? So this weekend I'm headed to Vancouver. We're on a super time crunch. Girlfriend just got off work. We have an hour to get to the ferry for our reservation, and we live an hour away. So I'm just gonna quickly throw some things in the MDX here and we'll be rolling out of here. Okay, we're all loaded up. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Bye, Poppy. Reservation for Andrew MacDonald.
MC or MAC?
MAC. Is this the ferry to Madagascar?
Yeah.
All right. Sign me up.
Just the two of you on board?
Yeah.
So $93.75. Thank you. As I tell most people, no, this ship goes to Hawaii.
Well, that works too. I'll take the long way around.
So $6.25 is your change.
All right,
and
coffee money.
Lane 6 on your left.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I guess we're going to Hawaii first, and then we're going to Madagascar. Works for me.
Then we're going to Luke Combs.
So just gonna get ourselves a Starbucks coffee because got about a 30-minute wait. I'll grab a coffee and then we'll come back out. Looks like they got some Mercedes on the trailer there. We'll have a look at those things. All right, here we are. Some nice AMGs. I really want to look at this black one here, so I'll have a look at it.
I like the turbo.
Convertible E53. Never even heard of that, but sure, okay. Plastic everywhere, plastic. Can't even look at the inside of it. Ugh. Ouch. This ferry here, I rode it coming back from the Sunshine Coast in my 4Runner. There's these little pillars here. I parked next to one of the pillars and there's a guy sitting next to me. I turned the 4Runner off and then I ripped open the door against one of the pillars and I smashed it against the pillars, and the guy next to me lost his mind. You could see him in the car like, oh my god, like what the hell happened? It was pretty funny. And we're off.
Be sure to visit Passengers Gift Shop for a great selection of
MDX row. MDX, MDX, MDX. Let's go down there. Go to cafeteria.
They all thought I wouldn't make it. They all think that you're faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah. 'Cause we're running out of time, so I'm gonna make it mine.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I learned to crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe, Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
that's it for the first leg of this little adventure we got. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. So we are headed down to Ferrari. Just gonna get in the car here and let's go.
20 clear as towel, Lexus clear as day, no
What's up, folks? Yeah, so we made it here. Behind us we got the Bentley dealership. Audi's right there. Ferrari is actually over there somewhere. So we'll head over there. We'll check out some of these Ferraris and McLaren we got over here and just go check those things out. Check out this 720S. That color combination is so sick. With the white exterior, red interior, carbon mirrors, 4x4 square. The thing's a giant. Carbon fenders, look at that. The thing sits about waist high right now. What kind of practicality is that thing around downtown Vancouver? I found him.
Yes, hey, you're right here. What's going on?
We're just looking at your next purchase there. Yeah, JJ, there's your 4x4 squared.
I feel like this is fine.
That's what I need in my house, a little lift like that. Run, little guy. Well, I don't know how the hell to get into Ferrari. I think it's upstairs. I think Ferrari Vancouver is actually upstairs. So we'll just walk down the street, have a look at, you know, just normal Vancouver vehicles. You know, Pagani. You got F40, Ferrari. You got, looks like you got another. Is that a 720 back there or a P1? I can't even tell. I'm not a very good McLaren guy, but ooh, my Koenigsegg's back there. Koenigsegg right there. Can't really see it, but so sick. So sick. Get the 488. Oh, this is more something I can afford in here. Got a Camaro. Got a really sick NSX back there. What is this thing? E-something. Maybach. Got lots of gold and jewel little things in there. Don't know what it is, don't care. We gotta go investigate. Let's try it. It's open. I think we got VIP. We get VIP. This is sketchy. Well, that was kind of a bust. I got a Ferrari water. They didn't want me to film in there. I don't know. I'll respect them on that part. I don't think I'm popular enough to be in Ferrari. Oh well, maybe when my YouTube channel blows up and I got 500 million subscribers, then I'll get a McLaren because Ferrari only gave me a water. I'm gonna open my Ferrari water in front of this Lamborghini.
No, Grand Tour. Yeah.
Pretty good. Urus. Urus. How did I end up at the back seat? Hey, let's go back into Ferrari.
Okay. You mean where I got this?
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit. Okay, sport mode. There we go. Full tilt launch.
The cheapest tickets now.
That was aggressive, guys.
Woo!
I want an egg 99.
Should hail a cab. Hey! You're fucking ignoring me. Check out that Honda, that's sick.
Look at that crisp video.
Buddy is on strike down there and he's bashing away on the drums. He has no idea what he's doing.
What is it?
It's a Solo.
I've seen them at
That thing's sick, by the way.
It knows your plate number?
Yeah, it's on the ticket.
Land! We made it to land.
Oh, they were
Fucking piece of shit. C43, pretty sick. That's pretty sick. A little carbon wing on it. Stop pushing my button. I'm out here grinding in front of Best Buy and Winners on Robson Street. Right there somewhere. Oh, it's bagged. Oh, shit. So sweet. Had a bush grill in the front of that thing. I wonder what kind of bush he's crashing into downtown Vancouver. Vlogs on vlogs. Okay, let's go to the next street. We're gonna see if we can find any other cool cars. We usually got some pretty sick stuff in the Four Seasons. Do a pull! That was sick. Raw dog. More raw dogs. Anybody want raw dogs? That guy's definitely late for work. Oh shit, it's the cops. Justin, what are we gonna do about this chasing us here?
Yeah, we're probably that back alley.
Awesome skills. Yeah, it's the cops. I just made it to a concert here. I had to use my phone for a video, but decent seats. Catch you guys when we get back out of this joint. That was a lot of fun. I guess back to the car content. Hey, I know you. I didn't know you came. Fuck this guy. Hey, you came? You came to the concert?
Yeah, I came.
Nice. Oh shit, it's the cops. Luke Combs tickets for sale. Look at all the people. Oh shit, it's the cop. Hey, where's all the cool cars at? Let's go to Ferrari. Let's pick that one. Let's do it. Let's race. I'm embarrassed to say we beat him in the Ford Fusion. Sorry, Hellcat. Well, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're going for food. That was fun at Ferrari. Oh, come on. I'm trying to get my goddamn phone. Come on, open it.
It's open.
Right arm. Right arm.
Oh, God.
It was unsafe to exit on the driver's side. Phone. In order to pay for things, I need my wallet too. Oh, she has my wallet. Fine. Where's my lid? Okay, catch you guys in the AM. I don't even drink, and I feel like I was drinking last night. My head is just killing me. I need a coffee. Let's go get a coffee. Well, that's it for our Vancouver trip. I'm just heading to the ferry right now. We don't have a reservation for this one. Oh, my head is just still killing me. Hello. Yep. 2. No reservation.
Down to lane 4.
Great. Thank you. Oh, she didn't look all energetic. I was gonna ask her if this is the boat to Madagascar because the last lady told me it was, and then, nope, still not there.
Stop in Hawaii.
Yeah, it was supposed to stop in Hawaii. Brought me to this dump. alarms. Gotta get away from all these car alarms.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Yes, have a good
There you
day.
go, Marcus.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's up?
What'd you find?
Why are you ignoring me?
What'd you find?
Nothing. There's no parfaits. That's all you.
always want what you can't have, and while you have it, you can. But still, my heart, the moment I laid eyes on it.
I got my boy back! Oh! Last stop. Home. Well, finally made it home. Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
How you doing? Yeah, so back home with bro. So I'm gonna pretty well end this one out right here. I've had a headache all day, so apologize for any of the droopy faces I may have. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are coming out next. Yeah, thanks for following along. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.